This video is about setting an expiry date to an Excel formula.
Here in this cell D7, I have used VLOOKUP function to extract the employee name from a different worksheet. If I want this formula to stop working after a specified date, I will add if, today and date functions to this formula. Let's see how to do this. Select the cell D7, go to the formula bar, cut the existing formula. When we do this, formula will be stored in the clipboard and we can use it later. If function. First part of the if function is a logical test. Today function. Today function will return today's date. Less than. Date function. Date function will return an Excel date based on the year, month and day specified inside the function. I will use the year 2019, 05 for the month May. Day will be 10. These values inside date function will return the date 10th of May 2019. So the logical test is whether the current date is less than 10th of May 2019, comma. Now the second argument of the if function. The actual formula will come as the second argument. Paste the VLOOKUP formula from the clipboard. Third argument will be formula expired in double quotes. If the logical test specified in this function turns out to be true, VLOOKUP part will return the result. That is, if today's date is less than 10th of May 2019, the formula will return the employee name in the cell D7. But if today's date is greater than 10th of May, the cell will display the text formula expired. I will press the enter key to see the result. And the result is formula expired. This is because today's date is 27th of May 2019 and we have used 10th of May as the limit. And now when I change the date to 28th of May, the formula will return the employee name.
And this formula will work fine until midnight of 28th May 2019.
Instead of hard coding the date inside the formula, we can also use a cell reference. Here in this cell H15, I will enter the date 15th of May 2019. Now I will repeat the procedure with the cell C14. Select the cell C14.
Cut the existing formula from the formula bar.
If function. Today function. Less than. Here I will use the cell reference H15. Comma. Now the second part of the argument. Paste the formula from the clipboard. Now the third part, that is the result to display if the logical test is evaluated as false. Press enter. The formula returned the text contact Excel & CAD. The date in the cell H15 is 15th of May and is less than today's date, that is 27th of May 2019.
For the formula in the cell C14 to return the expected output, that is the basic salary,
the date in the cell H15 should be greater than today's date. I will change the date to 30th of May 2019 and when I press enter,
the formula will return the basic salary.
And this formula will work fine until 30th of May.
I hope you will find this video useful. For feedback and discussion, please make use of the comment section. And those who are visiting this channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.